Morning, sir. How are you?
I'm good, man.
Yeah, okay. So, in Oracle DBA training, so what are the benefits that you are providing in this training?
See, we are starting our new batch of Oracle DBA, and this is going to be start from the next week only. The good thing about this batch is that we are going to start this batch in the evening time, and evening time is quite flexible for everyone. So those people who are working with in the morning shift and general shift, these people can join this training. So the key point about this Oracle DBA training is that the training will be practical based, real time, and you are going to learn from the very beginning till the end. So we are going to start with the SQL, then Linux, and then we are going to learn about the Oracle DBA. So if any person who is coming from non-technical background also, he will be able to understand the Oracle DBA concept, because we are going to start from the very beginning, like even with the very easy language. So those people who want to start their career into the IT industry, this will be the golden opportunity. Okay.
Okay, sir. My next question is that so in this Oracle DBA training, what are the benefits that you are providing in this Learnomate technology?
So in this training, the first thing is that we are going to start from the very beginning. So even the person who is coming from non-technical background, he will understand the Oracle DBA technologies. Second thing is that we are going to provide the server access. So if you see our server, that recently we have started providing the server access also. Basically we called it as a lab access. So if you don't have a laptop with the good RAM, you don't need to purchase a new laptop. If you have a laptop with 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, no need to worry, you don't need to expand your RAM, or you don't need to purchase a new laptop. We can provide you the lab access on which you can start doing the practice, and we are not going to charge anything extra for this lab access. It will be completely free of cost along with this Oracle DBA course. Second thing is, we are also providing the recording access. So if by any chance you are not able to come to the live classes, you will get the recording on the same day. You can do the practice by watching to the recordings. Third important thing, and which is I believe one of the most important thing, is we are providing the support also. So what is meant by support? Like, let's take an example, you are done with your training and you are trying to do the practice on your personal laptop. While you are doing the practice, you got stuck somewhere, you are getting some challenges. So the trainer should be available, or there should be someone who should fix your issue, and you don't want to wait till the next class, right? Obviously. So we have a dedicated support team is there. Whenever you get issues related to the Oracle DBA, when you are doing Oracle DBA practice, we can take your control, we can fix the issue, we can discuss about the issues. And another important thing is the class which we are going to take, it will be interactive class. Interactive means whatever questions, doubt, anything what you have, you can ask me in the class, we can discuss about that. Next important thing is that obviously you are going to start this career to crack some of the Oracle DBA interviews, right? So whenever you are going for an Oracle DBA interview, you need the project. So we are going to discuss about the different projects. We are going to discuss about how to speak in front of interviewer. We are going to provide you the interview preparation courses. We are going to tell you what are all questions the people will ask you in the interview and how to respond to that questions. Everything is available along with this course only. Another important thing is, you may need to have a help from our side related to the resume preparation. So we are going to help you with the resume preparation. We are going to help you with the mock interviews also. Now whatever the questions which you are going to face with the real interview, we are going to ask you that, and you will get a very good confidence how to communicate in the interview. So we have a very good mock interviews schedule, and you can schedule this mock interview multiple times, not a problem. So we are going to conduct a mock interview. We will tell you where you are lagging, what are the problems you are facing, and that will help you to go to the next level whenever you want to crack the interview. Another important thing that I want to tell you, that we are going to help you with the profiles like Naukri, LinkedIn. We do have a tie-up with some of the consulting companies. They are looking for the Oracle DBA, and we will try to share your resume with those companies. So this is a golden opportunity to start your career into the IT industry. This will be a very good opportunity for the people who want to start their career into the Oracle DBA. It is not like we are just with you till the class only. Even after the class, whenever you need our suggestions, our guidance, whatever interview questions you want to discuss with us, we have open forum for you. So those people who want to start your career into the Oracle DBA, please reach out to the Learnomate Technologies. The numbers are available over the screen. Also, it is available in the description of this video. Please fill up the Google form. You can also join our WhatsApp group. You can also join our Telegram group. This is a golden opportunity. Please take the advantages of it. And if you want to join our free SQL and Linux courses, that also you can take the advantages of it. We offer offline classes, classroom training in Pune location. We also have online classes available. So if the person is coming from any location, he can join our online classes. If the person is coming from Pune location and you want to join classroom training, you have classroom training also available. We have a training available in both the language. You can learn the training in Hindi also. We can learn the training in English also. We have a different batches are available. We have a morning batches, afternoon batches, evening batches. So you tell me what you need. We have everything available for you.